I made this t-shirt design using Kittl AI, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. But we're not gonna do this the lazy way, where you type your idea and just press generate. Baby lion eating green apple. No, that doesn't feel authentic. Alright, so we're gonna go to Kittl, and up here we're gonna click new project. Now we have the option to pick one of these templates, but we're gonna create a custom one. The first thing that I like to do, I like to switch everything to inches. It just helps me determine how big my design has to be. We're gonna go 13 by 19 inches, because that's the biggest print that I can do. We're gonna switch our DPI to 300. It's gonna give us a better resolution. If you don't know what DPI means, it stands for dots per inch. And we're gonna pick the vertical rectangle right here. And all we have to do, let's press create, start creating. But before we get to work, let me give you a quick walkthrough on how Kittl AI works, just so you can understand the basics. Trust me, you're gonna be impressed, because I was. Okay, so we have all these icons over here, but we're gonna click to Kittl AI. And this is how it works. You type something that you have in mind. For example, baby lion eating green apple. And then all you have to do is pick a style. We're gonna pick digital art, and you press generate. Just give it a couple of seconds. I even spelled apple wrong, but it creates it for you. Look at that. And this is just one style. So right now we did digital style, but you have so many options. You have anime, psychedelic, you have kawaii icon, detail drawing, t-shirt graphic, you have vector art, silhouette, line art, photography, so many different styles. And I'm gonna show you. But before that, you have a lot of tools right here with Kittl AI. So right here you have AI background remover. We're gonna remove that background of the design, just so you can have an idea how this works. And look at that. Look at that beauty. Super easy and simple. Now let's create another one. Let's create an anime one, just to see how it's gonna look. Anime style. As you can see, baby lion eating green apple, anime style. Right here. Give it a couple seconds and boom. Just look at that. Anime style. Kawaii. My pronunciation is not good, and my reading skills are not good as well. So be patient with me, guys. I'm trying. And just look at that little cutie right here. Look at that one. We're gonna do detailed drawing. We're gonna do another one. We're gonna do like 6, just so you can have an idea. And just look at this one. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do some vector one. And look at this one. This one's a vector one. And let's create this vintage drawing. Anime. Let's create this anime vector. And just look at this vector one. Cute. He is cute. So now, just by typing baby lion eating green apple, you're able to create all these designs. And you have all these options. Just look at all these different styles of AIs that you can create, AI designs that you can create. Now, here's the thing, here's the beautiful thing. If you want to kind of switch with the color of this design right here, to the right side of the screen, you have 3 columns right here. You could increase the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Since these are vector, you're able to switch the whole color. You see that? Now, you're able to create some of these designs into vector as well. For example, this one right here, we're gonna create it into a vector, and we're gonna pick 3 or 4 colors. So now you're able to change colors. You can see, change this black, change this yellow to lighter yellow, you know, different stuff. Now with these ones, you can't do that because these are not vector. High detail images like this, realistic images like this, you can't actually vectorize them because they won't look good. So I would recommend to stay away from these if you're trying to vectorize. Anything like this that has kind of lines, you're able to vectorize. Stuff like this, you can't. But you're able to kind of move around with the colors, play around with the colors on here. Stuff like this, you're able to create shadows, different stuff, kind of borders, give it some borders for, like, let's say you want to do a sticker or something. You're able to do a bunch of different stuff. So this is just the basic of Kittl. If you want to know more, they have a bunch of templates right here that give you an idea on how to create a design. For example, this one. So they put scary dog, comma, angry. And they put street art. That's what you created with street art. Pretty awesome. And you can just come here so you can get an idea on how to create a design, or what to type to create a design. They have so many stuff, so many templates that you can just grab. Look at these vectors right here. Look at all these vectors. Now let's go back. Let's go back to my designing area. So now that you have an idea, let's get to work. All right, let the party begin. We're gonna start by typing Aztec warrior side view with big feathers. We're gonna go cyberpunk. We're gonna try cyberpunk and let's see. Okay, wow, first try, kinda like it. Let's remove the background. Let's see how it's gonna look on a black t-shirt. Not too bad, it's okay. Now let's vectorize this. Let's do 8 colors. Let's see what we can get. It looks really nice, very detailed, maybe a little too much detail, but it's fine. Kinda like it. I like it, my friend. Whoa. Okay, this is what happens when you vectorize a high detail design. It took away a lot of detail, but it's fine because we're able to mess around with the colors now. So I want to reduce a lot of colors here. Let's change this to black. Wait, no, let me see. First, let's change this to black. I don't know if I'm gonna do a white shirt or a black shirt, but anyways, let me see. We don't need this color. It's okay. 50-50 to be honest. Let's try a white background. It's okay. Let's try another one. Let's see what we get. If we could probably get a better one. I'm gonna delete this one. And it's just try and error. We're gonna keep trying. Oh, this one looks nice too, but this guy looks tired. So that's a no. I need a strong warrior. I want a strong warrior, not a tired one. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. This one looks okay. Too many colors, right? I probably gotta put some colors here. Let's put red and black. Should we try another one? I like it, but his face expression kind of throws me off. So, I'm gonna delete him. Whoa, this guy looks hunchback. But you know what? I actually like this one. This one looks nice. This one actually looks nice. Let's try another one though, just in case. I like the style, so I'm gonna stay with cyberpunk. I like the style that I'm receiving, but oh, I love this one. I love the style. It's almost the same thing, but it's different. Oof, I don't know which one to pick. I like both. I'm gonna go with this one on the left, because this one has a little hunch right here. Doesn't look appealing. He's probably an old warrior, chief. Alright, we're gonna pick this one. We're gonna remove the back. Let's remove the back, and we're gonna vectorize it. I need to vectorize them because I want to have full control of the colors. So we're gonna pick 5 colors, even though it's gonna kind of throw it off because even though it's a 2-color design, black and red, it has a lot of different shades in there, like a little bit of gray and stuff like that. So let's see what we get. If it takes away too much detail, I probably won't vectorize it. We'll see. Yeah, it took away a lot of detail. So let's undo that. We're just gonna keep it like this. If anything, I'll just dim it down a little bit. Contrast, no. Just gonna leave it how it is. Okay, so let's center that. Now we need a moon. Let's get a moon. I need a moon. Full white moon on fire. No, let's just keep it simple. We need this vector. Just one color. Okay, this is my moon so far. Let's send it to the back. Alright, and this is what I got so far. Okay, let's do this. Let's see how my design's gonna look on a black t-shirt. Okay, so let's change my moon to white. Not too bad. Okay, so let's center this. We're gonna center this. Let's resize it. Make everything a little bigger and center it. Alright, so this is what we got so far. And the moon is too bright, so I'm gonna take away the opacity. Bit of the opacity. I don't want it to be the center point of the design. I want my Aztec warrior to be the main one. So take away some opacity. But I still need it to be shiny. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glare to it. Glare to the moon. Alright, so this is what we got so far. Now let's see if we can add some feathers. Vector feathers. Let's see. Some feathers. Probably gonna add some drip here as well. Gonna put Aztec on top, Aztec on the bottom. We'll see right now. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. Feathers. No, that's too many feathers. I need one feather. Let me see. One detail feather. Let's see. Vintage drawing. And guys, I'm not an expert on this. I'm not an expert on Kittl. I felt like I had to say that. And can we make this red? I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab this red. Let's see. Can we add the feathers here? Nah, let's delete it. Let's add some text to this. And they have different styles. So we're gonna go right here and we're gonna Look for some text. Let's try it out. Let's try this one out. I'm gonna put Aztec. I'm gonna put Aztec. No, you're gonna delete that. Alright, let's walking wolf. Let's see. Walking wolf. Let's do vector. We need add like a wolf here or something. Let me see. We're gonna add some wolves here. Let's get another wolf. See if we get a different type of wolf. You know what I like? Every wolf is different. They're identical, but they're different, which makes it kind of nice. Let's look for the text though. Let's try this one. Let's put warrior. Let's go with warrior. Warrior. Change this to white. Okay. This is what we got so far. I'm gonna add maybe some trees. Let's go back to trees and clouds. Let me see. Vector. So I'm doing all vector. I'm gonna copy this and we're gonna paste. We're gonna change this over here and then we're gonna switch it. Horizontal. Horizontal. I don't know how I feel about this, to be honest, guys. Let's add some stars and let's go vector. Okay, let me see. I got some stars. No. I need one star and then I can multiply in one star. So here's the thing, guys. Whenever you type something, you have to be very specific of what you're typing. If not, you're gonna get a bunch of different stuff. Let's see if this star kind of works. Might work, it might not. We'll see. Okay, this is what I got so far. Let's go see a mock-up. Let's see how it's gonna look on a mock-up, on a t-shirt. And then we'll decide. We'll decide if we're done or not. Okay, that's the front of the t-shirt, which actually looks really nice. Now let's see the back of a t-shirt. Let's see the back of a t-shirt. It's okay, to be honest. No, we're not done. Still need more. Still need more. Let's go back to editing. Let's go back to editing. I'm gonna stop here for now. Alright guys, so I ran out of ideas, so I had to go to my main source, Google, just to get inspired, just to get some inspiration from other designs. And you can see right here, the wolf looks nice. Look at this one. This one's beautiful. And it's part of creating a design. Sometimes you black out and you have to go to other designs just to get some inspiration. Alright? So I had an idea. And I already tried it, so I'm gonna type it. I'm gonna type it right here. I think I'm gonna delete this right here. I'm gonna delete, depending on how my design comes out. And just look at this. All this comes already with the synth wave. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. You're able to get this full picture. So I'm gonna delete this moon. And I'm just gonna add this one to the background. Just look at that. Beautiful. It just saves so much time and delete everything else. Look at that. Just makes more sense, in my opinion. Probably keep the stars. Add some stars around it. But look at that. It just makes a lot more sense. I want to keep it dark. Let's remove the background. Let's see if we could remove the background. No? Okay. So you can see the square right here, right? My goal is to eliminate that square. We're gonna have to play with the colors a little bit. Oh, that looks really nice. Aztec. Look at it looks like I'm done, to be honest, guys. Probably shouldn't delete my wolf. I want to have like a wolf in the background. Let's try a mock-up. See how it looks on a mock-up. I like it. I just don't like the squarish. It's okay though. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty nice. Let's go back. Let's keep playing with it. Can we make it darker? Let's mock up. Okay. Looks like we eliminated the square. Oh man, that looks beautiful. I'm probably gonna have to mess around with the flowers. With the stars. Let's see on the back design. That looks nice. What do you guys think? Will you guys rock this? Okay, let's go back. We're still not done. Let's center this. Let's center this. Let's center this. Okay. So I gotta dim this down. The opacity is too high. I'm looking for a vintage look. I'm trying to create a vintage, something vintage. So I don't need something too vibrant. I like it vibrant, but it's gonna be a vintage style design. Okay, maybe the stars gotta shrink. I gotta shrink these stars a little. I might delete them. Don't know yet. And my mom is like a big Aztec warrior person. She's into all this. I'll try to see if she likes it. She's probably gonna say yes, because I'm her son. So we'll see. I'll ask my wife too. She's a little bit more real. My mom is real too, but she's a mom. Everything is nice. Everything that I do is nice. So what do you guys think? Should I add another star? Let's add another star. Copy and paste. And I think I'm done, guys. Warrior. I should put Aztec, right? Aztec warrior. Okay, let's copy and paste. I'm gonna put Aztec. Okay, Aztec. Maybe like this. Let's go to mockup. Doesn't look bad, guys. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Somebody's calling me. My wife is calling me. Give me a second.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, yes, honey.
Hey, what do you think of this design? Give me an honest opinion.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
Can you just change the stars? Like, change the stars format? But other than that...
You're being recorded. Bye. Okay, she didn't like the stars. But it doesn't matter what she thinks. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh, and make sure to go try Kittl for free. Let me show you. Go to Kittl AI. Just look up here. Unlimited. Unlimited credits until December 31st. And let's go to subscription. Guys, it's free. You guys could try this software for free. And look at that. Unlimited, AI unlimited. Usually you get credits, right? You get like 100 credits. But right now everything's unlimited until December 31st. So go try it out for free. Go play with it, go practice. And if you like it, you're able to get it for $15 a month. Which is pretty cheap, because if you sell t-shirts on a daily basis, you gotta be coming up with new designs all the time. So imagine getting a design for $15. If you actually hire a designer to create a design for you, for a design like this could cost a little bit over $150 to $200. I'm telling you, because I pay for that. But now you can get them for $15. Hopefully this video was helpful in any way. And I approve of this, guys. Let me know what you guys think. It's just a simple way to create designs. Obviously, we could get even more detail. I just wanted to give you guys the basics. Hopefully this video was helpful in any way. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Let me know if you want me to bring this design to life. I'm a screen printer, guys, so I do designs like this in a regular basis. You guys could go check out my channel and you'll see a bunch of designs that I bring to life from Kittl, from other clothing brands. Once again, thank you so much for the love and the support. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you all.